everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. So I have a bin of fakey Blythe dolls that I have had set aside for myself to either customize or do something with. And I want to have at least 1 or 2 dolls picked out for the Virtual Blythe Retreat that's coming up June 13th, 14th, 15th, and 16th, 2024. If you've been watching any of the videos that I have been doing with my sister, we mentioned in there that you will want to have at least a couple of Blythe dolls for yourselves to use along, during the workshops that we have. So I need to think about myself now too. So here we got this chickaroo. Let's see. She is a definite contender. I'm not going to take all her plastic off and stuff, but alright, so I've got this girl. She is a fakie with matte skin and eyebrows, and she's super cute, and she's got beautiful blue hair, and definitely, we like to do stuff that's kind of, semi-tropical, so we have not at this point divulged the actual theme yet, but she might work. We will be telling you the theme and have all of the, and the grand prize. We're going to reveal the theme, the grand prize, and have all of the retreat passes and goodie bags available. April 1st, we're going to make the big announcement. Oh, she's tan. She might be cute too. So she's tan. She's got this beautiful purple hair. She is adorable. Yeah. And I like that she's tan. Definitely, I'm looking for dolls that are kind of on the fantasy range. So the fantasy hair is very interesting. Here is, I have a note here. Has new neck joint. Oh, all right. So this is a blonde, like a platinum blonde doll. And I guess I must have put a new neck joint in her. Yeah. Okay, is it, well, it says it's a new neck joint, but she's not moving and stuff. Did I really do that? Huh. All right, let me take her thing off here. She would also be cute. She would be, definitely, I can see using her. So these are Blythe fake dolls that I keep with the idea that someday I might customize them. So, I don't know. She's flipping like that, but her neck's not moving. I must have done a crappy job because I can't. If she has a new neck joint, I should be able to move her head around. I should be able to tilt it, and I can't. So, she's going to need, she will need some extra work. So, something's not right with her neck. You can see it's like, yeah, I must have goofed it up somehow. Maybe that was my first. I have put in neck joints before. And I even have some videos where I showed putting in neck joints for these dolls. I got them from Beth Ramsden. Uh-oh, now I messed up her hair thingy. Crap. And, woo! And, yeah, so, but I did okay with them. I'm not sure what's her story. I don't remember. Girl, what did I do to you? What did I do to you? All right, well, I'll fix her off camera so you don't have to sit here and watch me do that. I'll put this thing back on. These are nice to put on their hair so that it doesn't get messed up. All right, so she's not going to be one. Something's wrong with her neck, and I don't feel like messing with it right now. This gal, she doesn't have fantasy hair. But I remember getting her because she gave me Paradise Girl vibes. And Paradise Girl is one of my favorite Real Takara dolls that I paid more than I would like to admit for. She was a Grail doll, so she's very hard to find non-customized. And this is a beautiful doll. She's really pretty. And that's why I got her. I felt like she had that sort of vibe to her. I don't know. She definitely has a tropical feel. Like I said, she has the Paradise Girl, which is kind of like a Hawaiian type of doll. And then the other dolls I have in here, I have two of these dolls, which are basically these are Malibu duplicates. In case something happens to Malibu, I have these two gals. I also have Miami, who is basically Malibu with a different body. These girls I will not be messing with. These girls are just in case I lose Malibu or she gets damaged beyond repair. She has backup. She has clone dolls. So right now I'm leaning towards these two dolls. I think these are probably going to be the two dolls I use. I could change my mind, but I think right now these are the two dolls I am going to use for Virtual Blythe Retreat 2024. Like I said, we have told everybody we recommend you get a couple of dolls. Oh, there we go. Oh God, I messed up her eyelash. We recommend you set aside a couple of dolls because we have numerous workshops where we are going to help you transform a doll into a specific type of character, and we have two characters we're doing. So yeah, that's more than enough info teaser for now. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Which doll do you like the best? As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we hope you're going to be joining us for Virtual Blythe Retreat 2024 in June 13th, 14th, 15th, and 16th. Bye-bye.